Okay, so this morning I'm gonna try and clean the interior out of the car here. We got it off the trailer last night, so it's got some things inside here that need to come out. I need to clean the cylinders out, but to start with I want to do the interior. Get it cleaned out. It's got all original door panels and interior and everything, so I want to clean it up and see what all's there and what's not. So I'm gonna go get my gloves and get started. Okay, so I have no idea what these bigger panels are in there. I don't see anywhere that they go in the car, so they probably don't even go to this car. So I got the cylinders all clean now. Okay, we'll take another look at the interior. I found a few problems. We'll start here in the back. Other than the matches that the vacuum can't pick up and stuff, the back here is pretty nice. And as far as seat covers and stuff, headliner has a rip right here and coming apart a little over by the back window on both sides. Original door panels and stuff, so I'm gonna try and save as much of the original as I can. It's original floor mat too. Sad, disappointing part is it does have some ventilation right here. I'm thinking probably that section does too, and probably right here. I was hoping it was just the rust on the driver's side, because the driver's side, the rust is in this bolt-in panel, so I would be able to fix that real easy. But I'm gonna have to see how bad, get this thing up on ramps sometime here and see how bad the rust is on the other side. But the odometer says 91,000 miles. It's probably original miles. And you know, the seat covers look good and everything. These two door panels are the worst. They're starting to come apart. This is the worst one here. So I'm going to see if I can save it by rigging up something to put it back together. But it's warming up now, so I'll probably go inside for a while. I have no idea what these things are. This pile right here is trim and parts. And this pile doesn't go with this car. And I'm sure there's more, because in the trunk there is lots of stuff. So I won't worry about it right now. Maybe tonight I'll clean that out. But I at least wanted to get the interior cleaned up some. I need to see if there's something that will clean off these seat covers, because they're kind of dirty. So yeah, I want to try and get this paint cleaned up a little bit, even though it does have some damage. You know, right there, paint's starting to peel in this area. It's got some nice dents on this fender. So there's a few dents on the trunk lid, right here and here. And of course the paint's starting to peel off right down there. It's not original paint. It was originally green. But this side is the best. So I want to kind of clean that up. Got to deal with the motor. There's another motor for it that I haven't picked up yet. I don't know for sure if it's the same as this or if it's different. But it's going to have some body work on this side to get this fender to fit again. But I'm not going to put the fender back on until I have motor figured out. I might, but not right now anyway. So yeah, looks like it's a halfway decent car. Doesn't have a lot of rust. It's got some though, which is normal. But for now, I think I'm gonna go in and cool off. It's starting to get hot out here, so maybe later tonight I'll come out and do some more.